Hey everyone, welcome back. TD Mobile Check deposits let you deposit checks without visiting a branch. First, open the TD app and log into your account. Select the deposit or mobile deposit options. Enter the check amount and choose the account where you want the money to deposit. Make sure you are entering the check amount correctly, so always double check it. Then, take a clear photo of the front and back of the check as instructed. Make sure to place the check on a flat, dark surface with good lighting. Make sure to clean your camera lenses so pictures won't turn out blurry. Then, once you're done clicking the pictures, submit the deposit and keep the check until it clears successfully, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.